Wow, what an amazing achievement. Together we can truly make a difference. Our purpose is to make better homes a reality for everyone everywhere, no matter where you live. We firmly believe that it is our responsibility to use our expertise to make a positive impact on the world. Access to basic sanitation and hygiene still remains one of the greatest challenges of today. With this great partnership, we are committed to make toilets and hand washing accessible for all. Thanks to your contribution, we are once again a step closer to this goal.
UNICEF is truly grateful to GROHE, from the staff to business partners and customers, for all your efforts to raise funds for the UNICEF and LIXIL Make a Splash partnership. Proper hand washing and hygiene practices have never been more important to protect ourselves. But for many children and their families, access to basic sanitation and hygiene remain out of reach. Your kind contributions will help us reach more children and their families and communities with improved sanitation and promote hand washing and good hygienic practices. Thank you.